Welcome to Mindset Mystery, where the shadows hold secrets and the human mind is the ultimate puzzle. I'm Zoe, your intrepid guide through the labyrinth of perception, motivation, and the hidden forces that shape who we are. Tonight, we crack the code on insert intriguing topic of your episode. So grab your curiosity hats and let's delve into the unknown together. Hey Mindset Mystery enthusiasts, welcome back to a topic close to all our hearts, resilience. Today, we dive into the depths of brokenness, not as a dead end, but as a portal to transformation. We'll explore how to find motivation even when life deals us its roughest hand. We've all felt it, that crack running through our lives, a heartbreak, a setback, a loss. In that moment, the future seems bleak, a shattered mosaic beyond repair. But remember, a mosaic's true beauty lies not in its perfection, but in the way it embraces its cracks. It's easy to dwell in the darkness, but motivation whispers in the quiet spaces. Look for the little sparks, the flickers of hope hidden within the broken fragments. Maybe it's a kind word from a friend, a sunrise seen through tears, or a memory that warms your heart. Now comes the art of reassembly. Don't try to force the pieces back into their old shape. Embrace the cracks, the scars, the rough edges. They tell your story, they make you unique. Use them as stepping stones, as guides to build something stronger, more beautiful than before. This newfound strength, this resilience born from brokenness, is your masterpiece. It's not about pretending the cracks never existed, but about using them to create something even more breathtaking. You are not defined by your fractures. You are defined by how you rise from them. So, Mindset Mysterians, embrace the cracks. Let them fuel your fire, guide your journey, and inspire you to create a masterpiece of your own. Remember, brokenness is not the end. It's the beginning of something extraordinary. Share your stories, your struggles, your triumphs in the comments below. Let's build a community of resilience together. Until next time, remember, even the most beautiful mosaics started with a little bit of breaking. Stay strong, stay curious, and stay tuned for more mindset mysteries.